Alright, let's get real about Tydott Debloat Pro. You've probably seen the ads, promises of a flatter tummy and less bloating, but is it legit, or just another wellness scam? I dove into the ingredients, the reviews, and the science, so you don't have to. First up, is Tydott Debloat Pro a scam? Nope. The formula is packed with science-backed ingredients like potassium, ginger root extract, and probiotics, stuff you'll find in legit digestive supplements everywhere. Plus, they're transparent about what's inside, and user reviews on sites like judge.me are actually pretty positive. People report reduced puffiness, better digestion, and a lighter feeling, sometimes in just a week. But here's the thing. Tydott isn't magic. It's not a miracle cure or a quick weight loss fix. Think of it as a support tool for your digestion and fluid balance, not a replacement for a balanced diet and healthy habits. Let's talk ingredients. There's potassium citrate to help manage fluid balance and sodium levels. Then, digestive enzymes and probiotics, like lactase, protease, lipase, and a gut-friendly bacteria, to break down food and keep things moving, literally. And don't forget the botanicals, ginger, fennel, peppermint, and dandelion root. All classic choices for soothing the gut and easing inflammation. Now how do you use it? Super simple. Just scoop some powder, about 1 scoop, into 8 to 12 ounces of water. Stir or shake it up until it's dissolved. Enjoy the natural citrus and peach mango flavor, usually in the morning or after a big meal. For best results, make it a daily habit. So, is Tydott Debloat Pro worth a try? If you're looking for gentle, science-backed bloating relief, it's a solid choice. Just remember, no quick fixes, and always check with your doctor first.